Hey everyone, Eric Woldridge here, Director of the KCTCS Additive Manufacturing Center here at Somerset Community College. And as you can see, if you've been watching some of our previous posts, we have this slab poured. And went through normal process, and the overall time wasn't too awful long, weather cooperated. You also see that some of the formwork, we've actually gotten it out of the ground and back in place, and we'll be taking and hauling it off shortly. But the slab work is done. A couple of things about this particular slab design we kind of want to point out is you'll see that it actually doesn't have any control joints in it, those lines in the concrete, because we're using steel fiber mesh to compensate for that, and we're going to test and see how well it can go without having to do control joints. Another aspect to this design is that it's actually what we refer to as a turn down slab, meaning that there's not a separate footer, stem wall, and then slab. It's actually done in all one shot, meaning that it can be done typically faster and potentially require less manpower, because the overall design of the Floodbuster 1 concept is that it's able to be produced quickly and efficiently, meaning that you don't have a lot of time for a lot of specialized work. It'd be great if you can just kind of come in, mix the steel mesh in with the concrete, and just pour and go. So we'll see. Part of this project is also testing things out and see how things work and how it can be optimized. But obviously very excited about where we are now. And a lot of great work with everyone who's been a part. Our staff, volunteer folks, partners, heavy equipment operators here at SCC. This has been an amazing experience. So very, very proud of this point and really excited about what happens next. Of course, we'll actually be doing our 3D printed house right here on June 27th. So you can check out some of the other posts on that, and we're definitely open to the public to come see it in the process. What we'll be doing next is we'll be taking measurements to double check that what we were designing for actually turned out to be what we received, so that we can design the walls to line up exactly with these edges, and design it so that the printer prints right along the edge. And we'll also be adding in the anchor system to connect the walls that we print with this particular foundation. So very exciting stuff, really glad to be a part of the process, and as always, thank you all for watching and checking this out. It's great to be able to share it with you, and we welcome everyone to come and see it when we're actually doing it in real time. So as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you.